Hi and welcome to another Tuesday tutorial. This is an update to a tutorial we did in January 2021 where it appeared that Google was testing a years in business notation in the Google My Business listing. At the time, it seemed like an error because some listings were showing less than a year in business when they actually had been open for many years. Now, as of June 2021, years in business notation seems to be consistent in the business listings, as you can see here. And if we go over to maps, you can see the notation appears here as well. We do now believe that if there are no years listed in the Google My Business listing, then that listing has not been completed. If a business is new, there may appear a label that says New to Google. In a tutorial from May 2020, we showed you how to add the opening date to your business listing. Let's take a look at that.
This one specifically is about a new feature inside of Google My Business. So if you go to Google My Business, and I'll put a link below in the description, once you're logged in and you click on the Info tab, you'll see this new section, Add Opening Date. And it is just that. You can add the beginning date of your company. So if you left click on it, it'll bring this up. Obviously, you can enter your year, month, and day. Only the year and month is required. And you go ahead and click apply, and that'll open it for you.
So what does all this mean to SEO? We should have our Google My Business listing kept up to date and completed with as much information as we can. This helps with SEO and letting your customers know more about your business. This little bit of information may give you an edge over your competitors. Thanks, and I hope this helps.